Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, February 10th, 2014, and U.S. stock market is closed. There are no superlatives available in the English language to describe today. Let me tell you, a few days ago I said this bear market correction was going to end. It was going to end very soon. It was going to turn on a dime. And when it did, we were going to make a ton of money. We could make $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 in a single day and wipe out all our losses that we have experienced in the last couple weeks. Well, it happened today, folks. It happened in spades. We did top $50,000 in profits today. Spectacular day, unbelievable, and the Dow wasn't even positive except at the very end. We actually had 25 trades today and only 4 were negative. No, I'm sorry, 29 trades and 4 were negative, and the rest were positive. And we closed out over $40,000 in closed out trades. Over $40,000. And in the trades that we are carrying, we still have almost $12,000 in open trade equity that we're carrying going into tomorrow, and that is in spite of the fact that we have about 3 dogs in our open trade equity. They're running us down to $6,000-$7,000. Even with those losses in there, we're still close to $12,000 that we're carrying into tomorrow. People, this is the best trading system in the world. There is nothing that can even touch this trading approach. It is unique, it is unusual, it is difficult to trade. I know that, but nothing can touch this. We can go through the last 2-3 weeks just dying, thinking the end of the world has come. We're losing, and in one single day we wipe out all those losses. We are at new equity highs on the close today, and it's just starting. I mean, this is a bull market. This is a bull market out of control, people. We're going to make money. We're going to make lots of money. Anyway, you probably figured out Trader Bob's happy. You better believe it. Let me show you those charts. Okay, here we're looking at the Dow, and you can see here what has happened. As I have suggested, these are our lows in the Dow down here. We will not see those lows, I believe, until the Dow, well after the Dow has set all-time record highs. And this march toward the record highs started a couple days ago. We had these 2 big up runs on Thursday and Friday. Today was kind of a flattening day. It was actually, the Dow was negative almost all day, but it comes back and closes slightly positive. Not sure what it would do. You know, please don't get me wrong about this bull market. We could have a down day tomorrow. We could even have a couple more down days, but tremendous strength in this market, and I can tell that by the markets that we trade and how well they're doing. I mean, we do better than the market. We outperform the market like crazy. And when our markets are doing as well as they did today in what was basically a mildly negative day with the Dow, I mean, you can just imagine how well we can do as this thing moves to newer and greater record highs. Anyway, I'll show you. I can't even start to show you all the trades today, and I won't try. But I'll show you. This was really a spectacular one. This was in Athena Health, and this trade was good for almost $6,000. And you can see this. I mean, this is why people can't trade this system. Even though it's the best system in the world, people can't trade it. People scares the hell out of them. on Friday we bought this huge gap. I mean, look at this. This thing is humongous. Nobody wants to buy there. And of course, because nobody wants to buy there, we're more than happy to buy there, because what the crowd does, we do the opposite. That's why we make the money we do. Anyway, we got into this thing, and it just keeps going, and we get out of this, folks. We get out of this almost at the top today. Almost at the top. And that trade was worth nearly $6,000. Just an absolutely great trade. I'll show you another one that's really interesting. This is in ABTL, and I am sorry, it just slips my mind right now what that market stands for. It doesn't make any difference. Anyway, ABTL was great. We got into this thing on Friday on this little pop-up, and it did close positive on Friday, but this morning it takes off again, and it goes and goes and goes. And when we get out here, this was our normal get out point. We had made $4,000 in ABTL. And then, of course, and this drives people crazy also, and this is another reason people can't trade the greatest system in the world, we get back into it here, and what do you know? We are holding another $2,000 in profits in ABTL. So, as I say, hey, I'm sorry, I know I sound excited, but I think this probably was the best trading day of my life at this level of investment. So, you know, it's great. Anyway, this is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.